What is up, hunters? Soflohunter here. So, yeah, guys, as you know, my channel got terminated, and today is Diwali. And if you guys don't know what the heck is Diwali or what I am talking about, so it's actually an Indian festival. Houses of every family is decorated with beautiful lights and everything else. So I'm going to show you the houses. As you can see, the lights in my bag, it's beautiful. And the houses are decorated, and I'm going to show you the house, and let's get into the vlog. Show you the different houses that are decorated now. We are actually walking on street, and yeah, you can see the houses look beautiful. They are decorated beautifully, and yeah, there's another house looking really great with the lights on. And yeah, so yeah, guys, this is pretty much the festival. I'm gonna tell you the story about it later on. And yeah, we are gonna do some fireworks and stuff like that. So it's gonna be a really fun vlog. First, we are gonna pray like Americans pray to Jesus. We are gonna pray to our God. Basically, I don't believe in religion and shit. Every God and everybody is same. So we're entering our own. Hunters, so we are having a great fun here. You can see the firecrackers, and yeah, we are gonna shoot some more firecrackers, and let's get started.
Shouts to all my boss boys, we rowdy. Shouts to all my boss boys. Shouts to all my boss boys. Shouts to all my boss boys. Shouts to all my boss boys, we rowdy. Shouts to all my boss boys. Shouts. On your right.
this video is recording after we celebrated Diwali yesterday. So the video I'm going to show you now is of a missile which freaking, we fired the missile out of the rocket and it go up straight, but it hit the branch of the tree and it comes straight to my face, and I just bend it down at the right time. So I don't know if I didn't bend it down, what can happen or what was going to happen. I was really scared, and yeah, at that point I was thinking that, oh my, I'm gonna get killed today or my face is gonna burn. So we light up the missile, it goes straight, unfortunately hit up the tree branch, came straight by changing its direction, and I just like bend it down, and we have it on camera. I'm gonna show you guys the footage in slow motion so you guys can see the missile coming straight, and I was on the floor, and so yeah guys, I was a bit scared. So here's the footage for you.